Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I've got a swatch stroke stamping tutorial video for you today. Now if you were lucky enough to go to Pro Beauty over this weekend, then a lot of you will have already have these in your collection, and I'm gonna hazard a guess that the Magpie stand was probably the one with the longest queue, am I right? These are the new gel colours from Magpie Beauty. This is Feel the Heat collection. So this is a sort of pre-warm-up collection before they release their spring summer colours, and it's a set of 8, and these are also available online as of now, I believe. So I have this one on at the moment. This is Days of Dawn, a really gorgeous peachy colour, and I'm also going to be showing you how to do the foil embossing over the top, and I'll leave a timestamp down below as to where that tutorial starts. So let's jump straight to the colours and their comparisons. So this is Nude Jude, a really lovely nude. Magpie really know how to do their neutral colours. This one's lovely. So this is a comparison. So we've got Nude Jude at the top, next to Fanny Annie, Cat Got the Cream, Jenny Wren and Rosie Lee. Then next up we have Darling Clementine, and this is a really bright orange. Magpie do have a few oranges in their collection, so let's just put them side by side. So we've got Darling Clementine at the top, next to Sweet Coraline, Ginger Rogers and then Peaches and Cream. And then we have Days of Dawn, and as I said, I've got this one on at the moment. The way I would describe this is a peachy pink colour, really subtle. I think it would go against any skin tone. It's really nice. And then for a comparison, we've got Days of Dawn at the top, next to Peaches and Cream, Sweet Coraline, and then one of the new ones, Darling Clementine. And then we have All About Mimi, and this is a darkish plum shade. And then for comparisons for this one, we've got All About Mimi at the top, next to Georgie Porgy, Cherry Pie, Pansy Potter and Mona Lisa. And then we have Toodaloo, and this is almost like a pink version of Days of Dawn. It's got that sort of corally pinky undertone, really pretty. So I've put this next to Days of Dawn and Sweet Coraline. So this is Hazelnut. This is a chocolatey brown, I would say, and browns are always good for nail art, I think, so always good to have in a collection. And then I've put this next to Tweedledee, which is more of a taupe, and then Maggie May, which is more of a like your dark Coca-Cola type brown. This one's really cool. This is Poison Ivy, and I'm just going to zoom in and try and capture the sparkles in this. I really hope you can see it. It's like a dark purple, almost black, but it's got flecks of glitter in, and when it catches the light it looks stunning. Now there isn't anything really in the collection that's similar to Poison Ivy, but shade wise I've put it next to Pansy Potter just so you can see how dark Poison Ivy actually is. And then we have April Showers. This is coming across a little light on my camera just due to my lights, but it is like a dark metallic gunmetal grey, I would describe this as. So then I've put it next to Anastasia Steel, which is the metallic silver, and then Strong Gale, which isn't metallic, but it's a dark grey. Okay, so on to the tutorial now. I'm going to be using this new plate from DIXIE plates. It's the Botanicals 01, full of really fine floral images, absolutely beautiful. It's great for LED lighting, you know, colouring in, whatever you like. I'm doing foil embossing today. and hopefully you can see the foil on my nails here. So I've just picked random images and basically just filled my nails up and then embossed them. So on my thumb there, I've used that big image down the bottom in the corner. So I'm going to quickly show you how I did this on this Colourpop. This has got 2 coats of Days of Dawn plus a layer of Magpie Let It Shine top coat. So I've cured that, and then I'm just removing the shine with a soft buffer. So I've got a nice dry surface, so the foil is only going to stick to my stamping polish. So because this pop stick is quite large, I'm going to use the image down the bottom here. And that foil I was showing you is the MOYRA Magic Foil, which I'm using in conjunction with the MOYRA Black stamping polish. And I will leave all links in the description box below, as always. So I'm just picking that up with my clear stamper, just so I can see where I'm placing it. And then you only need to wait about 10 seconds or so, and you can go in with the foil and place this over the whole image. And what happens is the stamping polish gets a little bit tacky after a few seconds, so it's just, the foil is just going to adhere to the polish. And I'll hold it up to the light so you can see how gorgeous that looks, and the whole image has been embossed. So to fill the rest of this nail up, I just picked another image from the top section there and did exactly the same again. I just switched out my stamper to a smaller clear stamper, just so I've got a bit more control over where I put that. And then again, waited about 10 seconds and then went in with the foil. So I really hope that you can see the embossed detail on there. That plate is brilliant for a technique like this because it's got so many fine lines and it's really intricate, and the embossing just enhances those fine lines. It's so cool. So this is what it looks like with the top coat over, and then I'll just leave you with a couple of pictures of my nails at the end. So I'll leave all links in the description box for everything featured in this video today. And I really hope you enjoyed this one, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.